Hey everybody, it's Brian from Red Dirt Pickers. Thanks for stopping by my channel. We are doing a quick thrift here to Goodwill, and let's see what we can find. So my first detour here is the shoe aisle. As you can see there, the shoes are $5.35. This is a pair of Brooks. The insole was out of them, which is a kind of a common thing at this Goodwill. Not really sure who's stealing the insoles out of the shoes, but I did not get those Brooks. These Harley Davidson motorcycle boots were decent, but as I looked at them further, they were somewhat trashed. Great Columbia shoes, but the size was way too small. I almost put them in the cart, and then I decided not to just because they were so small. But these New Balance, these are great. The 990s V4s, I would definitely put these on your BOLO lists if you guys don't buy these. The comps range on these anywhere from $45 to $125. So New Balance 990 V4s are great shoes. These New Balance, they aren't as profitable as the 990s, but they're decent. And you guys can see here why I'm called Red Dirt Picker, because I am constantly cleaning these types of shoes that have red dirt all over them. I could probably profit about $20 to $25 on this version of New Balance. So I decided to go ahead and throw those on the cart. This next pair of shoes, I really enjoy finding these Haans. These are drivers, ladies drivers. They're not extremely profitable, but it's a good bread and butter shoe if you can find them in decent condition. They don't always sell fast, but it's a sure thing to know that you can profit anywhere from $20 to $25 on a pair of those. So I buy them anytime I see them. All right, so this next item here, as you can see on the right, it's a camouflage coverall. Rothco is the brand, really good brand. They weren't insulated, so they're not as valuable as some, but the camo is a pretty sought after model. I call this the Minecraft camo, but you could get anywhere from $50 to $70 for this pair of coveralls. It was a great size, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. I thought that was a really cool little boat in the bottle. I don't ever buy those, but it always intrigues me to see those. So this was a cool item I found. This is a bag of vintage Hallmark ribbons and braided rope. That was only $3. I've had really good luck with vintage Hallmark. And this next item, this Ravensburger puzzle. I don't know if you guys have ever bought Ravensburger or not, but this is one of the best puzzle brands in the market. I really love finding these unique puzzles like this. It was only $3, so I definitely picked it up. Probably get around $50 to $60 profit on that puzzle. This next item here is Batat brand. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. The little woodsies. This is a Calico Critters house. It's not a highly valuable item, but you can get anywhere from $15 to $30 on these Calico Critters components, whether it be the homes or the vehicles. And at $3, it's a decent little buy to go ahead and pick up. You really want to try to lot the characters with the houses together. That's where you're going to make the most money. So this next item here is a pair of kids ski boots. It's a 6-in-1. This brand's a great brand. It's actually Italian made, and it's an adjustable ski boot. I really don't buy kids ski stuff, but when I can find these adjustable boots, I'll pick them up, especially if they're only $10. You can typically profit anywhere from $50 to $70 on these depending on the condition. These were in great condition, so I decided to go ahead and pick them up. All right, this next item here is a Garmin navigation unit. As you can see, this is brand new in the box. Really great item here. I have never found these brand new. I've sold them used for about $25 to $30. And when I was looking at this comp here, I didn't realize afterwards that it was just the receiver, the head unit in the comp for $55. So I listed this for $58 or $59 and sold it within 5 hours. But afterwards, when I did realize that my comp was a little off, I could have gotten at least $70 out of it being brand new. But that's okay. I'm okay with the profit. Ended up profiting about $45 off of it. And as you can see here, I listed it at 4:15 a.m. and I sold it a little after 9 a.m. So yeah, I sold it in 5 hours. But yeah, that's it. That's the little Goodwill stop I did for the day. Hope you guys like this video. Please, if you can, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.